Hello, yeah, myself Arif Muhammad Khan from Java Technology Center. You can type on Google Java Technology Center.com. I'm going to discuss some design patterns. So my next design pattern is MVC Design Pattern. As the name is suggesting in MVC Design Pattern, that M for model, V for view, and C for controller. So model is responsible for business data. Whatever your business data is there, just like in employee class, if I am just considering the student class or employee class, in student class I am the roll number, name, class type, department, lot of things. So this is basically the business data. So model represent the business data. And how we can represent the business data in coding? With the help of POJO, plain old Java objects. And view represent the visualization of that data that model contains, means how data will look like, that is how model data will be represented, how model data will be visualized, that comes under view. And controller is what? It is the acts for which view which model is required. Who is controlling that one? That is controlling by controller itself. So MVC design pattern is providing the architecture that concentrate on your business through model, concentrate on your view, presentation, your visualization of the data through view, and how model and view are communicating to each other, that is done by through controller. Controller sits in between model and view. Got it? So this is model, view, and controller. How we can implement that in Java? I took one class, that is student. I took two attributes, roll number and name. I written getter and setter of these. Got it? This is my POJO, simple POJO class. And we are having one view class that I gave the student view. I gave public void print student detail. Two parameters is taking, and it is printing something. It is printing the name and roll number, whatever input by this method. I return the controller, I write the model object, I write the view object. Got it? So that means in my controller class I include both classes, model class and view class. Written the constructor, written the getter and setter of it, and just write one more method, that is update view, if I want to update any model information. I took the main class, write the main method, just pass retrieve student from database. This is the method. I created it as a static method. Got it? Because it is under static main method. Because if I will not declare this as a static, it will throw an exception. Got it? So model, I call the view, I call the controller, and through controller I call the update view method, and I set controller set student name John, and I just again call to update the data and to create the view, to write student detail to console. So whenever controller will come, controller update view, it will directly go to controller update view. Got it? Here view is what? Student view, and it would call print student details. Model, get model, roll number, it will directly go to here. Got it? Now if I want to update controller dot set student name John. So controller is acting how call will transfer from view to model. This is retrieve from data. Retrieve from data here. Retrieve from data is here. Set the data and get the data. So MVC design pattern is what all about model, view and controller. Model is the business data, view is the visualization, view representation for visualizing the model data, and controller controller act on both model and view. It control the data flow basically. It control the data flow into model object and update the view whenever data change. It is the responsibility of the controller to separate view and model. Got it? So thank you for watching this video. This is how model view controller design pattern works.